Hi, this is Kathy Rucat Smith with Palmetto Coastal Homes, and I wanted to welcome you to my newest listing in Murrells Inlet. This property's address is 309 Woodcreek Drive, and that's off 707. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath house, but it also has a bonus room and a room that you can use as a den or an office, and a great backyard. It's on a ½ acre, it's fully fenced, and it has a saltwater heated pool, also a pergola with a gas fire pit. It's a great house, great outdoor space. I'm going to flip the around, and we are going on a tour right now. So you'll notice this house has the wood look porcelain tiles. Those will be all throughout the downstairs of the home. To the left, you've got the room that's being used right now as a den, but that could also be an office. And that flows right into the dining room. You've got some great detail here in the crown molding and the wainscoting. And as you can see, you've got a little pocket door that flows into the kitchen. You've got stainless appliances, quartz countertops, an ice maker, a gas range, and beautiful tile backsplash. Then you've got your eat-in kitchen area here. And you've also got plantation shutters all throughout the downstairs, all throughout the house. You've got these great vaulted ceilings in the living room. Laundry room that leads out into the garage. The master bedroom is downstairs. This door that you can see does lead out into the sunroom, so you do have direct access to your backyard. You've got the same quartz countertops and cabinets as you do in the kitchen, a clawfoot tub, a tile walk-in shower, and tile floors. Your additional bedrooms in the bonus room are upstairs. So you've got 3 bedrooms up here in addition to the bonus room. You can look out over your living room and kitchen space. This bedroom is being used as an exercise room, but does have the closets, so you can use that as a bedroom. And then finally, the bonus room. Off the living room, you've got an air-conditioned sunroom. Also, this room can be accessed from the master bedroom. Outside, you've got your pergola with sitting area and a gas fire pit. Bench yard, a saltwater heated pool in addition to a hot tub. So this was a look at 309 Woodcreek Drive in Murrells Inlet. And again, that's a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath house, also with a den or an office space and a bonus room. If you've got any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 843-267-2710, or you can always comment below.